Good afternoon, guys. Today is 22nd October 2021. I'm here to update certain few recent news that we came to know, and we know a lot better today than what we knew yesterday. Test and go early policy has been implemented across Thailand, especially for those 46 countries nationals chosen as a low risk group countries. They can enter Thailand. First, when they enter the Thailand, they should have confirmation of hotel booking for one night at SHA hotel. They should carry PCR test result from their home country not more than 72 hours. After arriving at the airport, they have to undergo another RT-PCR result at Thailand airport, and they have to wait for that. It could take 12 hours, 24 hours. For that, they have to book one night SHA hotel for results awaited PCR result test at the Thailand airport. After that, if the test result is negative, then those particular tourists who are chosen from the 46 nationals can travel across 17 provinces, which are called blue zone provinces. Yes, so you can roam around, including Bangkok, Pattaya, Hua Hin, Chanthanapuri, after clearing the PCR result test. And this PCR result test is for only those 46 countries chosen national who have been vaccinated twice. Don't forget that there is a compulsion that you should be vaccinated twice. And before arriving at airport, don't forget to update the new Thailand pass system, which is online. Update your travel information, travel documentation on Thailand pass system, your vaccination certificate. Yeah, I do understand that CO is not required if you are traveling by air and entering Thailand by air. So you need to go through a Thailand pass system before you board the plane or you board the flight in your home country for Thailand. Upload all your documentation in regards to traveling to Thailand in Thailand pass system, which is going to take effect from 1st of November. So you can upload your vaccination certificate, your RT-PCR result test of your home country, other traveling information, travel insurance, which has been reduced to $50,000 coverage, which was higher, which was earlier $100,000. So there are some good signs. There is one more great news coming out that from 31st October, the Honorable Prime Minister of Thailand has decided to remove the curfew effective from 31st October in order to support the reopening of Thailand on 1st of November 2021. So stay tuned. If you have any queries, please do contact. And there is one more news coming out. Happy quarantine. Happy quarantine is for those people who are not vaccinated. People who are unvaccinated who still want to travel to Thailand and other provinces of Bangkok and Pattaya or Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, but they should stay in 10 days confined quarantine, which is not sounding very fun, but this is another great news. They can visit Thailand, unvaccinated tourists, they can visit Thailand and stay for 10 days quarantine. And remember, I earlier in my shorts, I announced that there are very key important dates where new news are going to come. First of all, 1st of November, then 15 November 2021. Another news, 1st December. We are really hoping that sales of alcohol ban will be uplifted by 1st of December or before 1st of December, because reopening of Thailand to foreign nationals 2 times vaccinated from those chosen 46 countries are required that they can enjoy the meals with liquor in restaurants or entertainment venues. And we are still hoping that entertainment venues will open sooner or later by 1st of December 2021. Today we are going to get the final confirmation of certain news by the Royal Gazette of Thailand. So stay tuned, stay blessed, stay home, stay positive, be positive. Sawadee krap.